To Instagram, we sorry to inform you, but we will not be posting on Instagram anymore. That's the bad news. But the good news is, hey, every morning on Facebook and YouTube, the videos still be there, man. We sorry, you know what I'm saying? It's just, you know, it ain't personal, it's business. And everybody said, you know what I mean? But for some reason, I'm petty. Cause this Mike friend. And it's finna get so good. Y'all got to continue watching. Hey, we on Facebook and YouTube. Saw Instagram. The journey was good. We appreciate y'all. We love y'all. How you feel, Ro? Huh? You said? Oh, Ro about to cry. You okay, Amber? Mike friend from high school.
Just friends.
Mike, how you feel?
I don't feel good right now.
No, you just want to be on Instagram to show muscles. You just want to be for the wrong reason.
What make you think that way?
Yeah, but God, anyway, Instagram, we appreciate y'all. Follow y'all for real. The storyline is finna get crazy. It's finna get better than ever, man. Every morning on Facebook, every morning YouTube.